So now let's see how we can insert images that are already stored in our Google Drives. So in order to do that, you have to go and click on Insert and then click on Image. So over here, you can see that Drive is an option which accesses your photos in Google Drive. Once I click on this, what happens is that you can view your recent photos, as you can see right here, or you can go to My Drive and then navigate around the folder to view the photos as per what you like. So I'm just going to go to Recent right here because this is the only image that is there for now. So I'm just going to click on this and then I can click on Insert. So once I do that, you can see that the image gets inserted over here on my Google slide. I can go over here and for more images, I can go to Image, go onto the same drive. So I only have one right here, but you can also click and drag it and it'll do the same effect. The image will be inserted onto your Google slide just like this, and you'll be able to change around the layout. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.